Here we have a healthy man, and looking further into his brain, we see a vital component in our bodies, the blood-brain barrier, with the assistance of the neurovascular unit. The neurovascular unit, as shown before you, is comprised of many types of cells, which we will be delving into further. So what is the blood-brain barrier? These are the blood vessels which surround the central nervous system and form part of the neurovascular unit. So what are the main functions of the MVU? Firstly, to ensure the maintenance of the CNS's homeostasis. Secondly, to provide a defence to pathogens and toxins. MVU cells coordinate neurovascular coupling, therefore delivering essential nutrients to active neurons such as oxygen and glucose. Moving on to how these cells sit together around the vessels in the brain, starting with the lining of the endothelial cells, followed by the basement membrane where the pericytes reside, and finally the astrocyte end feet. Here, a circulating pathogen attempts to enter the CNS but is unable to do so due to the barrier. The first part of the MVU are the cerebral endothelial cells, which are considered the building blocks of the blood-brain barrier. The key feature of the cerebral endothelial cells is that they are different in structure from the peripheral, as shown below. The main difference being the presence of the tight junctions in the cerebral EC, with the people below showing the different relationship of the neighbouring endothelial cells. The tight junctions ensure the close proximity of cerebral EC. Structurally, this is ensured by transmembrane proteins known as junction adhesion molecules, occludin and claudin, with its main role being to stop paracellular movement of substances, as shown in the middle. The next set of cells in the neurovascular unit are the mural cells, which surround the endothelial cells. But we will be focusing on pericytes and their role in the BBB. The roles include communicating with astrocytes and endothelial cells in the neurovascular unit to maintain permeability, contributing to angiogenesis, see definition below. They contain proteins to regulate capillary diameter, which leads to neurovascular coupling, and are involved in the initial formation of the blood-brain barrier. The last cell we'll be looking at in the MVU is the astrocyte end feet, which ensheath the blood vessel. Let's start by zooming out and looking at what astrocytes are. They are a type of glial cell in the central nervous system, which provides support to neurons and can control concentration of neurotransmitters, but the most important feature is their end feet. Now, looking at the astrocyte in the context of a blood vessel, we can see the end feet attach. So what is the role of the astrocyte in the BBB? This provides a critical link between the neurons and the blood. In addition, the structure of their end feet containing aquaporin-4 water channels allows them to control water homeostasis in the CNS. So, what does the neurovascular unit look like when the BBB dysfunctions? Causes of the breakdown include pathogens, immune cell infiltration, and inflammatory cytokines, with the resulting damage being shown below. Reduced tight junctions and pericytes lead to this increase in permeability. Consequently, many diseases are associated with BBB breakdown.